my colleague Nalini Sharma, who heads our Law Today Bureau, was listening very carefully to the bail hearing of Arvind Kejriwal. Given what happened in the Sanjay Singh case, do you think that has any bearing at all on the Kejriwal bail hearing? Of course, we have no idea what the bail order will finally be. But in most cases in the past, and given the provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, it's quite likely that he may have to spend some more time in jail. Is that your reading or not?
Well, Rahul, once somebody is inside jail under the PMLA, it is always an uphill battle for them to try and get out on bail. But there are a lot of similarities between the case against Sanjay Singh as well as Arvind Kejriwal in the Delhi excise policy matter. Essentially, because both the cases against Sanjay Singh as well as Arvind Kejriwal, the ED has built both these.
Nalini, I'll just try and set that audio line with you correct in a moment. Munish Pandey, from your perspective, talking to officers who are actually prosecuting this case inside the Enforcement Directorate, do they see Sanjay Singh's bail order as a big snub, as a big loss of face? Because, you know, the judges do remark that prima facie doesn't seem to be a money trail. Now, they didn't say it in a written order, but even if they're saying this, AAP and their supporters in the India Alliance will go to town saying, boss, no money trail has been found in Sanjay Singh's case.
Well, Rahul, this is what Aam Aadmi Party has been claiming from last 1.5 years, that there is no money trail in the case. But interestingly, when the matter was being heard today before the High Court, the Enforcement Directorate in its argument said that they have found money trail. And remember when...
in Kejriwal's case, not in Sanjay Singh's case. Yes,
in Kejriwal's case, this Sanjay Singh's order is very specific, and the court is very clear, the Supreme Court is very clear that it will not impact any other hearing in this case. For example, bail matter of Manish Sisodia or Arvind Kejriwal. As far as Arvind Kejriwal's case is concerned, an affidavit of more than 260 pages has been filed by the Enforcement Directorate. The argument was made by ED today, and they have said that they have found money trail of more than 45 crores of rupees. And to establish that, when this matter was being heard, his remand was being heard before the lower court.
But what kind of a money trail is it? From what I understand of past cases, the money trail has to come back to some kind of proceeds coming to the accused.
Well, in this case, what ED is claiming that 100 crore rupees was received by the Aam Aadmi Party through Vijay Nair, and Arvind Kejriwal was aware of it, and that is why he's been called kingpin by the Enforcement Directorate. Out of that 100 crores of rupees, 45 crore rupees has gone to Goa elections, and to establish that chain, the ED is claiming to have recorded statements of AAP candidates who have said this to ED, that they received cash money from the Aam Aadmi Party. They have recorded statements of Hawala operators who have given this statement to the Enforcement
Directorate. Does the statement count as evidence when the order is finally pronounced, when the judgment is pronounced?
Well, Rahul, according to Prevention of Money Laundering Act, if any statement has been recorded under Section 50 of Prevention of Money Laundering Act, it will act as an evidence for the prosecuting agency.
Okay.